Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a hyperlink into your text documents on Bluebeam Revu PDF reader and editor. So let us guide you through this. Open up the text document in the Bluebeam Revu application. I will go with this one. And what you want to do guys is click into Tools at the top, select Hyperlink or use the shortcut Shift-H, and then you will see the instruction here at the top. So what you want to do guys is highlight the given text you would like to add a hyperlink to. So let me zoom into this text here and go with text document like this. That is going to open up that window here. So you can choose between these actions guys. You can choose, for example, an internal link here with by selecting jump to and then selecting the document. That's however not what we're about to do. We're going to add a hyperlink instead. So select it, enter the external link here. So I will go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial, and then guys click into OK, and that's it. So if I choose the select tool here at the bottom, click off for instance, and hover my mouse over the given text, you will see that the hyperlink has been added. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.